Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to log out Gmail on Realme C67 device. Some of you may not know how to log out from Gmail on your device. And then here are the steps you can follow. First thing first, open please Gmail application on your device. Okay, and then click on profile icon at the top right corner. Well, after that, here you can select manage account on this device. Well, and then select please the account you want to log out from your device. Okay, after that, click remove account here. And then you can click once again. Well, by removing the account, it will be automatically logged out from your Gmail. Okay, and then for the second step, open please Gmail application on your device. And then you can click on profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, after that, you can select switch to personal Gmail. Well, that's the tutorial on how to log out Gmail on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.